friends, welcome to Papaya Store. So today's video is all about our run collections which we have already launched on our website, and these are basically mull cotton sarees, and I'll be showing these sarees one by one. So let's start the video. So these are all sarees. These are pure cotton sarees in vegetable dyed, and the saree's length is 5.5 meters. So we have paired these sarees with two blouses. So one is this blouse. The blouse length is 1 meter, and this is the saree's running blouse. It is around 90 centimeters. So this is the saree, and we have extrised with tassels. So the pattern of the saree is in this Kathakali pattern, and this is the palla. These sarees are priced at 32.99. So for the images, you can check our Instagram account or our Facebook account, or you can directly check our website. So these collections are already on our website, that is papaya.in. So the second saree which we have is in black color, and it is all in chiriya patterns. Paired this with this beautiful cotton blouse, and this is the running plain blouse which comes along with the saree. So it has overall these chiriya patterns on the sarees. And this is the palla. So all these sarees are priced at 32.99 only. You can shop directly from our website. And the other color which we have is in peach color. So this is a dark peach color which we have paired with a contrast yellow blouse. It is neither orange or neither red. It's in between the color. So I just don't know which color it is actually. It's somewhere a dark peach color. So this is the overall palla of the saree. This is the palla, and all the sarees has these booty prints on it. These sarees are best for the summer wear. It's like easy and very breezy. Then the other shade is in lime color. This is one of the most favorite color. We have paired this with a dark green contrast blouse, and this is the plain matching blouse of the saree. And all these sarees are ready to drape, so it comes with a ready fall and edging. So you just have to get your blouse stitched, and that's it. So this is the overall palla of the saree. It's a very beautiful color, very summery shade, lime. Then we have this is a gray color. So most of the people have asked me, this is not a brown color, it's a dark grayish color, paired with this orangish blouse and this cotton. So these sarees are like, this saree is all over the same. So for images, you can follow us on Instagram or our Facebook page, so you can just get to know all about our updates, what new collections we are coming up with. Then we have this is also a very beautiful color, summery shade. It's a blush pink. It's a mix of purple and pink color, extrised with tassels, and it has a beautiful patterns, floral patterns on the saree. So it's like like this, and this is the palla. It's all striped. This is also very beautiful summery shade. Then we have in dark green color. This is somewhere around a mehendi shade, and we have paired with this striped contrast blouse with it, and this is the sari's own blouse, extrised with tassels work. So this is, I'll just show you the color. Yeah, it's the same only. Yeah, this is the color. For the images, you can check our website directly or our Instagram if you are, in case you are following us there. Then the last and most favorite sari, most wanted sari is this purple one, paired with a contrast cotton blouse. So the blouse which we have paired extra is all of 1 meters, and the sari's running blouse is around 90 centimeters. Sari's length is 5.5 meters, and sari is complete, ready to wear, comes with ready fall and edging services. So this is the palla, the sari. This is the palla. So yes, these rung collections are already launched on our website. You can check our website, that is www.papaya.in. In case you like any of these sarees, you can shop directly from our website. So thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Bye bye. Thank you.